How to get potato graphics in Fortnite. Now, if you have been suffering on a low-end PC and you want to improve your chances in getting a better graphics in Fortnite, here's how we are going to get this done. First things first, here at Google, what you are going to do is just very simple. You're going to go ahead and download the NVIDIA Profile Inspector, just like so, and then you're going to download it from GitHub. Go ahead and click this one right here. And then you're going to download this one, the zip file. So click this, and then you should be able to have this download option right away. Now, from this point forward, just go ahead and basically open this one, and then you're going to go ahead and extract this one. So I'm just going to go ahead and extract this, say for example, to desktop, hit OK, and then let's head over to the desktop to locate that file. All right, now that we are here, here is the NVIDIA Profile Inspector. I'm just going to open this one, and now we are here. So from this point forward, what you're going to do is just click on the profiles here, and you want to look for the Fortnite. So you can just go ahead and type it here, and there is Fortnite. So when you open this one, the first thing that you are going to do is change a few things. So we're going to move to anti-aliasing, and then here, I want you to go ahead and locate transparency super sampling. So this one, it is turned off by default. Now you want to go ahead and change this one, and we're going to choose this one right here. You remember that the last digit here is 8, and then it says mode replay mode all. So go ahead and click that one, and then for the texture sampling, there are 4 things that we are going to change here. So the number 1 is going to be this one, driver controlled LOD bias. Let's go ahead and turn this off, and then we're going to head over down below. Let's go ahead and change this one to 005. So let's go ahead and find that one. Okay, this one right here, plus 0.500. So you have to remember that there is actually a negative for this one. This one right here, negative 0.5000. Make sure you're not going to choose that one. Again, it's plus 0.5000. So still the same thing down below. You're going to go ahead and find a similar number. So let's go ahead and try to locate that one. There you go. And then the last thing that we are going to change is this one, the quality. Let's go ahead and click this one and choose high quality. After doing so, you can just go ahead and hit apply changes. Now, say for example, you want to restore it back to normal because you think your PC is capable. You can just go ahead and basically click this one right here, restore current profile to NVIDIA defaults. So that's just how easy it is, everybody. But again, I'm going to go ahead and click apply changes right here, and afterwards I am ready to play. And that, everybody, is how simple it is to get a potato graphics here in Fortnite.